What makes a great school? Isn't it the buildings or the brochures? It is what parents feel when their child grows with joy and confidence. That's the Tigerish school difference. Here's what a parents say about their child's journey with us. Ma'am, we would like you to introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Rishida Sushant Barakar. I am mother of Rishant Sushant Barakar, who is studying in Tigrish in grade 7. And overall, if you ask me, the journey with your school, it's been from past 3 years and it's very positive.
Thank you. Ma'am, what do you think that sets our school apart from others?
Basically, the things which sets your school apart from others is the perfect balance between the academics and the values which you provide to the children. So, if what I have observed is the teachers are quite dedicated, they are approachable, and they make sure that they are genuinely working towards the growth of each and every child in their class. And at the same time, there's because of this individual attention and the ratio which you are maintaining in the class, it is providing a wonderful platform for the children to grow smoothly and seamlessly.
How is your child's academic progress since the day he has joined us?
Ma'am, I have seen a noticeable improvement in my child's academics. Moreover, see, when I talk about all the subjects in the class, children are better at one subject. I wouldn't say they dislike certain subjects, but there is less interest. But the best part about your teachers is they have kindled that interest back into the children, and that the same thing has happened with my child. So there were few subjects which he was not interested. He used to not like to open the books, but today I'm happy that he sits with those books, he reads those books, and those subjects he is interested in. So that also because of the structured way in the examinations are taken, and the way they have been explained, like the results and the efforts taken later are so nice that overall the changes and there are remarkable changes in my child's improvement.
Ma'am, you're satisfied.
Very satisfied.
What are your favorite things in our school, like curriculum, the facilities, and the teaching?
Ma'am, the best part about your curriculum, it is very structured. If you ask me about the teaching methods, I've seen that they are very interactive, and as I mentioned earlier, there are genuine efforts which the teachers are making towards each and every child. So that's fantastic. And facilities, obviously, they are very well maintained, and the school is still growing, and it is growing towards the betterment of the children from the point of view of facilities. So I'm extremely happy about it.
Ma'am, how would you describe our school, like from the day you have joined and your experience? How would you describe it?
Ma'am, the overall journey with your school, as I said earlier, is very satisfying, and it was very positive right from the start. So, the first thing which the school does is maintains transparency in everything. The communication between the school and the parents is perfect. So, there is not even a single complaint which I can have. And when I'm concerned about the academics, most of the things are handled by the teachers in a perfect manner. As I said, class tests are happening, monthly tests are happening. We are updated with each and every fact which is being done in the school. Apart from that, there are the values which you are inculcating within the children. So recent one I can tell you is your annual day, and I have no words to describe it, because along with academics, when I say values, you all are doing a great job with the children. So most important thing is this is giving our children a best platform for character building as well. So thank you.
Thank you. Ma'am, how do you think our school fosters the sense of community and belonging?
Ma'am, I think the school is doing a fabulous job when it comes to fostering a community, being a part of the community. And when you talk about belonging or understanding what is required, one of the examples which I can give you is recently you all conducted a small visit in a special school. So that was something which is very close to my heart, and I loved when I saw that video, when I saw these photos. So this way the children get to know about what is happening around them and how they are privileged compared to the other special children, and when they are getting this opportunity, how they need to foster this opportunity, how they need to grow in this environment. So that is one thing the school is already doing the best. The other thing, one more thing I would like to bring to light is that during your annual day there was one drama which you all conducted, which really had tears in my eyes, wherein you all made sure that the children understand the importance of grandparents, like how they need to take care of their grandparents. So that is something you all are already doing great. So that so you all are doing great job.
Thank you. Ma'am, would you recommend our school to the other parents? And if yes, why?
Ma'am, definitely. I've already recommended the school to my friends, my family members as well. The reason is because I've seen a positive change in my son, and at the same time I've seen you guys working with other children as well, the efforts which the teachers are putting. So your entire school has dedicated teachers, well qualified teachers. I see their efforts in each and every thing, that is let it be your sports day, let it be your examinations, how they are held. I keep on following your YouTube channel, which is really fabulous. And as I mentioned earlier, your annual day was super fabulous. So you guys have set a benchmark for the rest of the schools in the vicinity. And and the management is also very visionary. So that's the reason why I will recommend the school to all my family and friend members, because the holistic approach which you have in the overall development of the child.